Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews and Infinity of Nashua. Today on this very windy day, we have the 2022 Infiniti QX50 Autograph. Top of the line for the QX50. Stickering here for $59,245. Oh man, is it cold. Graphite shadow over graphite. Oh, whatever, I like that. Rest up anyway. Autograph has different wheels. You have your heads-up display, which will enable now. Suede trim. With the graphite, you have black suede. You can also get a stone light colored interior with blue suede. Do have ambient lighting all throughout. The interior is definitely where they stepped it up. Two-liter inline four. Variable compression, turbocharged motor, made it to a CVT transmission. Makes this thing actually a good amount of fun to drive. Do not want that hitting this thing. No, I love this car. We just got, I think, about 30 2022 QX50, so this one was one of the first ones. Obviously, I love the autograph. Always have. It's just so nice inside. even on this windy day, comfortable, cruises well. What I love about the QX50 is it drives like a car. It doesn't feel like an SUV, and it's so much fun to drive for the segment, I should say. Yeah, does a Red Sport drive better? Yeah, it probably does. But is it still a riot to drive? Absolutely. Over some icy braking. Oh yeah, it moves around a little bit. But it's ice. What do you expect? Well, seeing how we're in dead stop traffic now, might as well wrap up. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.